So we just left the house of Anna and Chende, and we're now on the spot where the accident happened. Actually, in this turn, we made into this road. This is the place where they picked up the camper.
And now we're off again.
Yep. Lunchtime. So Merel, where are we today?
We don't know the name yet.
It's called Arcade or
Arcadia.
Arcade.
Arcadia.
Still Spain, not Portugal yet. And today we went to the garage again. Also yesterday, because the camper was leaking oil, and they changed it now. They put in the new oil ring, and we're back on the road.
En we zijn in Portugal! Woo! Nee.
How much?
327. $609 steps. Or steps. But you also have
609 steps. Nice. So 609 steps, then you are all the way above the city, and what is waiting for you?
more steps.
More steps. Woo. And a beautiful cathedral. What is this?
A super fancy supermarket.
Super fancy supermarket. It's like a beautiful building, good music, and beautiful products. Even how the fruit is looking, it's awesome.
Peanut butter is more expensive here than Nutella. Well, we walked all over there, all the way over there.
Way there. Good luck walking to Santiago.
Thank you.
Good luck, good luck.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I went, you know what I did? Donald Trump singing.
Good morning. We are awake very early, and this is not because we're gonna do some exciting walk or hike or something like this. This is just because of these beep mosquitoes that are filling up the camper. It's the worst.
We've got over 30 and they keep coming in, which is impossible because we closed everything up.
All mosquitoes that we catched, and it's not even half of what is here. Every time you open that door, 60 come back in like this.
They have a space there. They are crawling in, I'm sure of it.
Yeah. There's probably someone at the entrance like, come in, yeah.
This body, how's body?
Free blood, buy your blood here. Yeah, something like this. So this is why it's way too early. But the rest of the week was quite good actually. We fired up the van at Anna's house and we continued our road. It was quite hard to say goodbye, of course, but it was very nice that we have met these people.
La furgoneta. Wow! Goodbye! Good lucky! Good travel! Ciao!
We were at the garage for 2 days.
Yeah, we went to another place and we discovered that there was oil leaking, so we had 2 days that we went to a garage. First day they made it, and then the second day they made the same thing but then on the other side. It was also because of the
other fix.
Yeah, because of the other thing that broke before. But now it's fixed, so that's good. But now we got this little shit problem, and yeah, trying to figure out how this is gonna do. But it's I'm so tired. Tired.